Y'all, I'm happy I made this tea. It tastes so good. It's got fresh ginger, lemon. What else? It's just black tea. I put peppermint, cinnamon. Got all the goodness in. I'm honestly feeling a bit stressed right now. Y'all might know I decided to host a masterclass, a free masterclass called Get Over Your Ex Now. It's happening in 2 hours. I know I'm ready, but I've been running around. I had to go to the bank. The bank denied me with these overdraft fees. It's a lot going on in the background, but even in my stressful moments, I'm focusing on the positive because right now I'm actually working on my script and I don't necessarily like a full script for my workshop, but I definitely need an outline because I like to draw from intuition. So only got 2 more hours, but I need to get dressed. I need to do my makeup. I was able to eat something because I hadn't eaten anything all day. This is Mr. Millionaire for real. The feelings are real. And I know I'm living as $1 million Elmira. However, some of the reality of situations, I got stuff due today and the funds aren't there. It's just, yeah. But money comes to me every day in unexpected ways. Money comes to me every day in unexpected ways. Okay, I'm such a crybaby when it comes to reflection. I'm doing my morning reflection and I had a realization because I'm thinking about my business. And of course, I started my business in 2009. And the intention was this. It was never my intention to like make a lot of money or expand in this way and have franchises and sell the business. My initial intention was to have my business afford me life experiences. And as I go through, I'm actually making a video for my little brother's birthday. He turns 40 today. And I found the boarding passes and the tickets from when I took one of my nephews, to Miami years ago. This was almost 7 years ago now. But it was my business that allowed us to have that experience. Like I was able to purchase the flight, rent the Airbnb, pay for our Uber, and that like makes me so happy that I was able to do that for him and create that experience for him. And like all of the other experiences because of my business, I was able to get housing because of my business. Now, I didn't say I bought a house, but that doesn't matter. My business, because some of these, this is CEO chat today. Some of these business gurus will tell you if your business ain't making 6 or 7 figures, it ain't successful. But it depends on what was the intention of your business. The intention of my business was flexibility and freedom. I've had that. I've been able to travel back home to Virginia when I want. I just went on a trip to New Orleans with my boyfriend. I was able to do that because of my business. So here's the message. Lead with intention. What is the intention of your business? Don't listen to the outside world. They're saying, oh, if you ain't make $1 million, you wasn't successful. I know my business is successful, even though my business is right. Last year, it was a 5-figure business. It's still okay because it met the intention. It's allowed me to lead a healthy life. It's also, my business has inspired other people. So those things are immeasurable. They span the course of time, lifetimes, the cosmos. So for me, that's a deeper impact than saying I got $1 million in the bank and I went on Shark Tank. $1 million bank and I went on Shark Tank. Million in the bank and I went on Shark Tank. Millions in the bank and okay, that might be a song. Don't y'all steal. Y'all know I'm all about self-care. This is something I signed up with from Terry Cole. Welcome to the More Love Meditation Experience. It's all about getting, gaining, appreciating, receiving more love. And yeah, she is awesome. If you don't know who she is, she wrote the book called Boundary Boss. Yes, Boundary Boss. I'm actually in the process of doing my meditation. I'm laying here on the bed doing the day 1 meditation.